Hello, my name is Markov Yuri, and today I will talk about the farting sound effect from AG. It's from a video called vertical bracket ILL. See you tomorrow. Vertical bracket dash farts vertical bracket. Do not comment if you don't like it. Vertical bracket. It was played on July 14, 2022, which is 2 years ago. The duration of the sound effect is 136 to 143. The cute music will be removed at the beginning and end. This sound is only used when I poop in the toilet, although I'm pooping right now. Let me put on some music so I can poop. Alright, now that the music is on, I am ready to go poop. I need to use my tummy muscles. I feel so much better. AG's farting sound lasted for 7 seconds before I pooped. Remember kids, when you need to go poop, just use this sound effect. It starts at 146 and ends at 144. Make sure you remove the cute music at the end, okay? Next, I will talk about my husband's